Why PEMF works for so many different things. Have you ever wondered why PEMF works for so many different things, from recovery and circulation to joint comfort and muscle relaxation? The answer is actually simpler than most people think. Your body is electrical by nature. Every nerve signal, every muscle contraction, and every repair process depends on tiny electrical activity happening inside your cells. Your body isn't just driven by chemistry, it's electrochemical. That's why PEMF feels different from many other wellness tools. Instead of forcing your body to do something unnatural, PEMF delivers gentle electromagnetic pulses that work in a language your body already understands. People often discover PEMF because they're looking for pain relief, but pain is usually just the surface. Underneath, there may be muscle tension, slow recovery, reduced circulation, or the everyday stress that builds up over time. PEMF is valued because it helps support those underlying recovery processes, not just the symptoms you notice. And that's where consistency becomes so important. Recovery doesn't happen in one session. It happens through regular support. That's why many people combine a full-body system like MiraMate Magic Pro for deeper recovery at home with a portable device like Mini Magic for focused support throughout the day. Because the real potential of PEMF isn't just helping you feel better today. It's helping your body recover, adapt, and stay resilient, day after day.